Hi, I'm Amita Goel, owner of Glassberg Financial Services, and I have started this company 5 years back as an investment banking company. I started this company because I found that there is a lot of gaps when a company or when any startup or any MSMEs go into the market to raise funds. Being itself into the corporate for almost 12 years, I could realize that there is a lot of gap. For a large corporate, it's very easy to raise funds. For a established one, it's still easy. But when a person wants to raise fund, and when you see a lot of people not having knowledge about it, but it's quite an easy thing. When you see that lot of corporates or lot of people, when they are highly fairly educated, but still they don't have the knowledge on this subject, you feel that there should be someone who incorporate this now knowledge to them and imbibe them or help them hold their hands and help them to raise funds for them. So we not only raise funds, though our primarily service is to raise funds for the MSMEs, corporates, builders, retail owners. But apart from that, we genuinely feel from heart that wherever the lacune is, we see a lot of lacunae on the balance sheet side when we see that the company, though they have established pipelines, but their books does not look good. Literally does not look good means literally they don't know how the good should have been. They're doing good businesses. When you see a corporate doing business of 100 crores and when you see that their turnover has they're showing on the book is only of 20 crores, the margins they're running huge. They can go to the market and raise funds in terms of IPOs, equities, but still their book does not support them. We really feel pity on it. So that's the reason we've started our CFO services wherein we help at the inception level that for the longer tenure they maintain their books at the healthy level, and whenever the rise might be, they should not be said no by any institution for merely the reason that they have not maintained healthy books. So apart from that, we also do treasury services. I have a partner by the name of Komal Bhel who only had spent 18, 19 years into this industry helping the forex services where you have import, export, or it has to be done. Audit needs to be done of your forex. We do go deep into those services and help, and we proudly says that we helped even to bring your savings more than 100% into the forex book, and we charge a nominal amount for an audit or a percentage of the savings which we bring to your company. Apart from that, we help even in the IPOs. So it's a bouquet of services which we have brought in for our customers, wherein once they come in, I'm sure they will not leave our hands. Be it builders where they find so much of difficulty in raising construction finance, we try to bring them on the books, CF for them, even it's a first time entrepreneur or first time builder. We see how we can raise funds for them only for their CC approvals. Lot of approvals, 30% of the money goes in bringing the approvals. So we try to bridge all the gaps for them and bring investment for them. The our services does not gets limited only on raising funds. We say that we are your brain and we let us work like a brain for your company and bring money for you. There are a lot of products which we have introduced or which we work with foreign platforms to bring money to the customers. We even go and bring products like import discounting for our corporates, wherein we see that that's purely an unsecured limit at the rate of 11 or 12% so that they can get the leverage on the books and they can fast churn the capital, and they can their turnover can get increased, and wherever they're seeing that there is a cash flow mismatch that can be taken care of. For even the large corporates of who are into infra, we are helping them with the sovereign bonds kind of a facility wherein the government are coming up with the insurance bonds or something wherein they don't have to get the collateral. So we are very much into the market bringing innovative products for our customers and helping them day in and day out so that they does not face any issues, and we do go into deep in and bring, even for the government funds, we help them. So even if I'll keep telling about our products, I'll keep telling that how we can go deep into your balance sheet and help you all. But I'm definitely quite sure that once you take our services, you will feel the difference what we bring to you as per the other market players. But we, day in and day out, we work with them to bring efficiency to your company, and we have started our services pan India. That's the beauty what we are bringing and difference we are bringing to the corporates or the client, to our clients. Pan India, we help them to get our services, and we really feel proud when we have successfully disbursed at different locations, helping them with different kind of a services. That's it.
How we can people contact you?
uh, pe- we we have a lot of Instagram handle. We have our Instagram handle, we have our Facebook handle, we have our websites wherein we have a chat group, and people can definitely contact and we reply to them.